Hello, welcome to Chris and my fiance, cooking with Chris, my fiance, part 5, episode 5. And we got some beef cooking. Is that chicken fillets there?
Yep.
What's on top of that?
Like a butter chive.
I'm sure that'll be very nice. We've got fish in there, I believe.
Yeah, Seabass.
Seabass, oh, very nice, very nice. Oh, steamy, steamy. It's looking good. It's looking very, very good indeed. Fish is coming on. So's the beef. I'm sure we've got a long way off yet, but that is looking nice colour. Is that green stuff on top of there? Is it thyme?
Oh no, it's chives.
Chives, oh, lovely jubbly. Oh, that looks bloody lovely.
Yeah.
Oh, you can eat pink meat, it's alright. As long as it's beef, you're fine. Beef, and lamb. Beef and lamb are fine to eat that colour. You may not like it, but I do.
No.
Oh, that looks lovely. All these pink juices coming in. We're not eating it like that, but it does look nice. I would eat it. Here we are, is the Seabass completed. Looks very delicious indeed. Can't wait to try that. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that beef. Oh. Tubs. Oh, sorry, but your cooking sucks compared to my fiance's food. Look at all those beef juices cooking and that chicken. I'm not sure, I might have a bit of beef juices mixed in with it, but so what? It will taste very succulent. Look at that. Can't get better than that. Lovely, lovely. Here we have the well cooked Seabass. The beef is done. The chicken is done. We've got some mashed potato cooking in the microwave. Oh yes, yes, yes. It's cooking in the microwave, but it's all good. Oh, look at that gravy. That's just from the beef juices, isn't it? Oh, look at that. Got some mash there. All go very well together. Oh, look at this, people. Oh, sorry, it's not gnocchi, it's gnocchi. Yeah. Look at that. It's like a little buffet. Oh, look at that. Alright, okay. And here it is on the plate. Got some lovely beef there, some chicken, gnocchi, mashed potato, and some fish. Did I say chicken? And chicken. And some lovely meat juices there. Let's take a bite, shall we? Alright, let's try that. Bit of beef. Oh yeah. Mood. Oh, I'm joking. Very nice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed to my lovely fiance for cooking this beautiful meal. If you want more of this, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day, evening, night, wherever you are. Thank you.